Hello, I'm Andy. I'm here with Scott Pomfret of Fairhaven, Massachusetts. How do you like your Handy Andy's quality vac, and how do you like the service?
The vacuum, quality product, backed by a great warranty guarantee. The service has just been outstanding here. I can't say enough about it. Quality product, quality service. Thank you so much. Great job.
Thank you. Are there any particular features you like about the vacuum?
I think it has a great quality of vacuum. It removes all debris, has a long hose, gets you into places that you can't with traditional vacuums.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.